Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about a very hot topic, taxation in Germany. Many people have a lot of misconceptions about taxes in Germany and they say it's better not to have own businesses in Germany because of the high percentage of taxes. This is why I decided to make this video to explain the taxation in Germany as well as different taxes which we need to pay on our businesses. So let's start first with the misconception of taxation or high taxation in Germany. We must understand when do we have to pay taxes. The taxes are only payable as soon as we start earning a certain limit of profitability. Even under this profitability, we are not bound to pay any taxes. This profitability limit depends on company types. For example, for sole proprietorship, this is 24,000 euro profit. After 24,000 euro profit, you have to pay taxes. So this is like you have a minimum gap of earning some profitability before you pay taxes. Secondly, the misconception is the percentage is very high and we cannot control it. This is not true. Actually, we can reduce or adjust our profitability by adjusting or by increasing our expenses. This is a legal way. With the increase of expenses mean we can expand our business, we can buy more furniture, or we can buy very advanced computers, or we can buy new mobiles for our offices, as well as we can buy new cars or new office location for our business. So this is all about how you manage to reduce your profitability by increasing your expenses. With the expenses, as I mentioned before, these must be all expenses related to your business. So you have all the options to have maximum luxury in your life, in your official life as well. Or also you can expand your business not only in Germany, you can expand beyond the Germany and can reduce your profitability. So business basically gives you the option to grow yourself, which is not possible as easier to do when you are working as an employee. So now let's see what kind of taxes we have to pay when we start our businesses in Germany. There are several types of taxes like trade tax called Gewerbesteuer, then we have corporate tax called Körperschaftsteuer, income tax Einkommensteuer, VAT is called Umsatzsteuer, and then payroll tax. If we have some employees, then we have to pay for them Lohnsteuer. And if we are a Christian or belong to any other religion which are taxable, then we have to add Kirchensteuer or another store according to another type of store according to that religion. As you see, there are several taxes which we have discussed thoroughly, but not all these taxes must be paid from our side. So if we have a sole proprietorship company, we need to pay only trade tax, income tax, and VAT. And if we have a GmbH or UG, we have to pay trade tax, VAT, and corporate tax. In these taxes, we need to understand the trade tax, income tax, or corporate tax. This belongs to profitability, but the VAT is not a tax which has any relation with the profitability. Now, I would like to discuss VAT, also called value added tax, a little bit in details, because VAT is not a tax we pay from our profitability. It's not a tax we pay from our pocket. So it's very important to understand what is VAT all about and how does it work. VAT also helps us to reduce our cost as well. So we see how it works. So generally businesses will have to charge value added tax called VAT on products and services. In Germany, VAT is officially known as Umsatzsteuer, although many people continue to refer it by its previous name, Mehrwertsteuer, or written as MWST. So freelancers and small businesses called Kleinunternehmer who make an annual turnover less than 22,000 euros in their first year and 50,000 euros turnover thereafter can choose whether or not to charge VAT. So charging VAT means you can also deduct any VAT you paid out on business related expenses, but also means more paperwork. So like if I buy a car, or if I buy a laptop, or if I buy anything for my business, I pay 19% of VAT on it. I can get this 19% of VAT what I paid returned from the tax department. However, if I charge VAT from my consumer, from my clients, from my buyers, I have to submit the whole amount of collected VAT to the tax office as well. So if you choose to charge VAT, you need to add an additional 19% on major products, whereas 7% for certain consumer goods and everyday services, including food, newspaper, public transport, and hotels, on top of your regular fee. You must set this additional fee aside, as it needs to be transferred to the tax office, as I told you before, on a monthly, quarterly, or annual basis, depending on your annual turnover. At the same time, you can deduct the USD you have spent on business related expenses such as equipment or travel expenses from the amount of VAT you owe to the tax office. So this is like the benefit of registering a VAT. So you can collect VAT for your services, and you can uh, deliver it, you have to deliver it further to the tax office as well, but you can deduct the VAT you paid for your expenses, for your traveling, or for your any kind of business related expenses. So the difference will be paid to the tax office as well, from your collected VAT and from your paid VAT. So this is what is VAT all about. So it's not a tax what you pay from your pocket. It is just what you collect from your services, from your clients, from your buyers, you pay as it is to the tax office. And if you have any business expenses, you can deduct VAT paid on these business expenses from your VAT collected from your services, or from your clients. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you have any questions, you can ask us any question through the contact given on our website www.gw-solutions.org, and feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you very much.